Volcano.
Stick.
Tree. Pee-pee.
Oh my gosh, that's freaky.
Lava. Crash plane. Daisy's blender. Where's your wheelbarrow at?
Right here, it has one handle though.
Daisy.
Lockness monster.
That's the Lockness monster in the
Dude,
tree.
that's so bad. Look at that.
He's like awesome. He's like, roar! Roar! Whoa, that does look cool.
I know, right?
He's in a teepee though.
No, that's what I was about to say. Why is the
Well, it
monster
could be a
in
cave.
teepee?
Because we don't have a lake.
Make it a cave.
No, there's a cave right here.
No, like a cave.
I didn't have anything to make a hole with the cave. So it's just like a flat cave.
Flat cave.
There's a hole in the tree. Looks so lifelike.
I love that right there. Zombie.
You got a zombie?
No.
Oh yes. Daisy, would you like to interview him now?
Okay. What do I say? Are you gonna miss this class?
No.
Why?
So I have nectar.
Oh, but it's not gonna be the same people.
Yeah, well.
No, she's not gonna be here.
Why not?
Who am I
Come
going to
senior.
class with?
Oh, that's right, huh?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Now are you gonna miss it?
No.
How rude.
I'm gonna miss it because
When Martha fell. That was a fun
she's
time.
taking this class too, and you are too. But we're probably not even gonna have it in the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
No, because he said there's gonna be
Teacher.
Yeah, but they're all like freshman ceramics.
Oh, haha, I was just playing. But still, Greg's not gonna be here, and she's not gonna be here, and we're gonna laugh.
Angie and Tatum and Colton.
Not bad.
How do you feel?
You'll have me.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Like a zombie.
Did you make one? That's an awesome zombie. He was like crawled onto the ground.
His leg.
His leg, do you see it?
Zombie. Things fall.
You should like give him half a head. It's like, how do you feel?
Just like, look at this.
Stand like next to the tree so he won't fall off or something.
Come away from the leg. Like,
That's an awesome person. It's like really hard to make. Mine was like off back.
Top view. Top view. Zoom.
What?
Top view.
Oh, top view. Tom food. Who the heck is Tom?
Tom? I don't know Tom.
My face.
Okay, so.
Where's your T-Rex?
Right.
So, what was your favorite class this year?
For me? For him.
Have
Oh.
class.
Oh, we're
You don't
still
have
on.
favorite class? What
You
was
know
your
you love
favorite
this
class?
one.
What was your favorite class?
My favorite class?
Lunch doesn't count. Does it?
Not DECA.
Huh?
Hate DECA.
Oh, this is my favorite class.
I think so too. Don't do anything.
Everything in the kill room needs to go in that cage out there.
Look, that's a cave.
Oh,
wow.
that's a nice cave.
That's good.
Who's gonna come out of there?
A snake.
A snake in a cave. That's the easiest to make, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a T-Rex head. So his mouth is like falling off.
Okay, that's hard.
T-Rex head.
What is that?
The wheelbarrow. It's a brilliant one.
Yeah.